Hi friends, welcome to JK Arts. I am Pooja and today we are going to learn Warli art or Warli painting. In Warli, the tribes has been using basic material for painting like rice paste with water and gum for the white paint and bamboo stick that has been chewed on that serve as a brush. But as we are learning from beginning, we can practice it on paper and with pen, pencil or these kind of colorful paints, or just a white paper and pencil. We are starting from basic how to draw these shapes, and in coming session we are going to learn how to draw human group in circle and some borders and basic human figures. Warli painting are just a way of expressing their joy, happiness or various aspects of the life like wedding, harvesting season etc. in form of shapes and design which are drawn with basic shape like circle, triangle, square, lines. If you look at the Warli art, you can make out how easy it is to make it, but has lots of expression behind it. These geometrical figures join together to form beautiful pattern like two apex of triangles are joined together to form a human figure. That means draw triangle like this and another triangle like this. This will make the body for human figure. Hence, it is just a symbol that show harmony between human being themselves and with nature. Traditionally, this painting is done on a red background with white pen, and these are the only two colors used. But today a variety of colors are being used to replicate these artistic motif on fabric, home decor or other artistic form. Patterns of Warli paintings, it basically consists of, as you know, geometrical designs like circle, triangle, square, lines. Circle represent the sun and the moon. Triangle derived from mountain and pointed tree. Square indicating a sacred enclosure or a piece of land. These geometrical figures join together to form beautiful pattern like two apex of triangles are joined together to form a human figure. Hence, it is just a symbol that show harmony between human being themselves with nature. Today, we learn the basic shape of a man or a woman, in which we draw a triangle like this and a circle. Circle should be symmetrically to body. You cannot draw like this. Very small circle. You have to be symmetrical with this body. Approximate measurement should be considered in mind, and a line to draw a neck. For arms, you cannot draw like curves. You should draw two lines like this and legs like this. So the first lesson for Warli painting, Warli art, is to draw human figure. Thank you.